Daniela, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the Back It Up TikTok trend, which is basically the Diamonds and Roses song. This trend is becoming really popular and it's really easy to learn. But before we get started, please make sure to like this video and subscribe. And now let's get into it. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's going to be so much easier for you guys to follow. And now let's go with the first part. So the first thing we're going to do, basically the song says back it up. So we're going to step back with our left leg and we're going to pretend we're pushing away from something. So you're just going to put your hands here, you're going to push, and then you're just going to step like with both your legs basically together. And then you're going to do the same thing again. You're going to step back. Okay? So once again, from the beginning, step back and then step back. You're going to step back both times with the same leg. Basically, you can do it with your right leg if you want to. It doesn't really matter. So after we did the second step, we're going to just wait like half a second and then you're going to just hear the beats. So you're going to know like when to do what. So first, our right hand goes up and we're going to step a little bit to the right. Okay? And then we're going to put our legs together and we're going to step to the left and do the same thing with our left leg. So it's just like these small steps all the time. You're going to go like 1, 2, 3, but like it doesn't like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so like really small steps. You can basically do it without the steps too. Just really depends. Like some people just go like this. Some people do the steps, but basically however you guys want to do it. Okay, so we're going to go right hand, left hand. And then what we're going to do is we're going to twist them and then twist them back. So 1, 2, twist, twist, and then we're going to cross our hands on our shoulders. We're going to do the same thing with our fingers all the time. They're going to be like in this position, like you're not going to change anything. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross, uncross. Okay, and then we're going to go 1, 2. So same thing with our fingers, just instead of crossing up, we're going to cross down. Okay, so once again from the very beginning, we're going to step back and then step back and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do this. So we're going to step forward and like when we step forward with our right leg, our right hand goes forward. And then we're going to do like the same thing with our left hand. So it's kind of like weird, but it's basically just you're going to go like this. Okay, so you're going to go 1, 2, 3 with your hands. So right, left, right. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you're just going to do like small steps forward again. So 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to lift your right leg and you're going to sweep something off your leg. So pretend you just have something here and you're just sweeping it off. That's the thing you're going to do. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, sweep. Okay, and then we're going to step back and then I'm going to show you what to do because that's going to be the last step. But first, let's do it from the beginning. So step back and then step back and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and then up, up, sweep. Okay, so after we do this, you're gonna step, you're just gonna like, you know, you're gonna drop your weight basically on your leg. Okay, and then you're gonna cross your arms. They're gonna be, your hands are gonna be in the same position. Same thing with your fingers. You're gonna cross them and you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're just gonna be bouncing on your legs like that. So first to the right and then you're gonna go to the left. So really easy. And with your hands you're gonna go 1 and then 2. 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. And then you're just going to be bouncing on your legs like that. Really easy. So now we're going to be doing it from the beginning twice. First we're going to go slow and then we're going to do the same thing but faster. So first, let's do it slow. Okay, so first the steps. 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, sweep. 1, 2. Okay, and now the same thing, but faster. Let's do it. So you're gonna start here and you're gonna go back, back, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, sweep. 1, 2. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!